Okay, students. What's number 2, Nick? Or do you want to listen again? Nick,
No.
what is number 2? Wash hands, Liam. Wash hands. Nagugutom pa si Liam. Wash hands. Wash with water. Number 3. Oh, what's your answer, Nick?
The answer is book.
Oh, don't say bad words, Ken. That's bad. Okay. Tom, what's your answer,
Number
Tom?
book. Rice
Book.
book in the big box.
Okay. How about number 3? Who wants to answer number 3?
Books.
Number 4? Number 4? Who wants to answer number 4?
Write movie on the TV.
Okay, correct. How about number 5? Number 5, students? Nick?
The bone of the cone is brown.
All right. What's the octopus made of? Ken?
The octopus made of is of plastic.
All right. What can you see that's made of glass here? The bottle. Okay. Read about glass. Choose the right words and write them on the line. Okay, students. Glass in, I will read first. Glass isn't new. People were making glass bowls and bottles more than 5,000 years. Okay. Now, Nick, number 1. Please read aloud, Nick. Okay, this is choose your answer here. Okay, the answer in example, done. Number 1, Nick. Nick. Years. Nick, are you there? Nick, are you there, Nick? Nick. Okay, ago. 5,000 years ago. Actually, no one has ever found out who made glass first. Or Tom? Tom? Number 2?
Number 2 is happened.
Okay, happened. Number 3, Ken? One story tells us that some men from a ship arrived on a beach, decided to make meal. They made a fire on the sand and put some small rocks. Okay, Ken, number 5. Ken, number 5, and stones. Hello, Ken.
Stone
Mm-hmm.
from
From
a very long time and
okay,
the
this
rock
one. Middle of the fire cook on.
dried water from a very long time and the rock and stone got really hot. Part of the rock and some of the stone be
Okay, next, number 6. Stone began. Choose your answer from here. Nick,
stone wait to stone begin mixing with sand and sand to make
okay. The answer is mixing. Mixing. Tom, number 7. So,
the next
next
time
time,
look a window, look at a mirror of
or are holding a glass of water. Think, wow, this glass is made from very, very hot sand. All right. Now let's play games, dear students. Finding things in your room. Okay? So you don't need to find, just mention the item, okay? One are longer than 1 meter. What is it? Longer than 1 meter.
door.
Okay, this one. Water bottle. Okay. Have corners. Have corners. What items do you see? A tub, or this one, a cell phone holder, have corners, are made of
TV.
paper. Oh yes, correct.
A
TV.
laptop.
Yes, correct. Are made of paper. What is it?
A
Are made of
telephone.
paper.
Boom
A,
elephant. Boom elephant.
a book.
A book and boom elephant.
Mm. All right. How about our square? Square. Square. Power bank. Square.
Pillow.
Okay, are made of plastic. Are made of plastic. A plastic bottle. Okay, are bigger than balloon. Are bigger than balloon. What is it?
A house.
A house.
A
How
house.
about neck? Are bigger than balloon.
A classroom.
A ball. Are smaller than a computer mouse. Are smaller than a computer mouse. What is it?
A ball. A rubber. A rubber.
All right. I'm made of wood.
A
Can?
table.
Table. Anything else?
Pencil.
Pencil. How about neck? Made of wood. Chair.
Ruler.
Okay. How about this? Are heavy to carry.
A table.
Anything else?
A TV.
Mm-hmm.
A mat.
Mm-hmm.
A car.
Mm-hmm. Are made of metal.
A bed. A letter. A smooth.
Mm-hmm. Made of metal.
A
Jewelry.
spoon.
Anything else?
Tree.
Mm-hmm. Are round. What is it? A round. Round. A jar. A jar. Round jar.
Mirror.
Mirror. Neck.
Yeah.
Neck. Tom. Ken. A round.
Sofa.
Okay, round sofa. How about neck? Neck.
A ball. A wall.
A wall. A wall clock is also round. Wow,
A
good job,
ball.
students. Pantado. What is the meaning of pantado? Is that Mexican? Pantado. Is that Vietnamese or Mexican? All right, you did great today. You have answered it all. So you did great. See you next class. See you tomorrow. Okay? Goodbye, dear students. Love
Bye,
you.
teacher.
See you tomorrow. Okay? Good night.